Damn, shit is nasty. Check him out. Eagle Street Shark. Unknown status. See the banners. Dude, there's this track hawk here. This dude must have. Oh! That was this car? That was this car. What the? That's fucking cool. Are you good? This shit right here, making all that damn noise. I need to find the owner so he can harass my neighbors.
It's right there. With the hat.
Ooh, I'm gonna pay him to piss off my neighbors. No matter. time, but I just don't know who owns it.
Make him happy. He spent all morning at the car show.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Look at it.
Damn!
What? He just...
We're waiting for you to come back.
What happened?
We're over here trying to win shit.
Look at these fools. They just come. Look and look at this.
Size.
What the heck?
Okay, so what was the catch? How you get all this? Catch, how you get
Oh! Of course. Oh, I know this dude. Fucking Chargers. Look, look, look. Yes, sir. There he goes. What the fuck? I think he's losing it. He's crazy. I don't know. That dude was fucking tripping out.
good. Oh, you see, you got the camera that you can see yourself. I'm not used to seeing myself when I vlog. It's good.
Mine. Say no.
Hey, that's tight.
Yeah, they love you. The Mopars are back.
Hey, your battery good?
Yeah.
All right, I need one good photo of my.
That's how we going, Christian?
Okay.
I just wanted a picture.
That's how we going?
I just wanted a picture, man. I have to. I got donuts, man.
Donuts. Bye. What about the rollers? That's another way of doing it.
What, the roller shot?
Mr. Aired Out, yeah. Is that the crazy chick?
wanted to ride with him.
Who? Bye.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.